The winter season has started, although in my part of the world, in Thailand, it's still always very hot. But then it is now time to make hot drinks. First, let me ask you, who doesn't like Thai milk tea? Well, if you haven't yet tried Thai milk tea, then you are definitely missing out. If you have been trying iced Thai milk tea, the one which is better, even better than iced Thai milk tea is hot Thai milk tea. And that is the focus of my series of video clips today. I'm going to split this into 3 parts. The first will be showing you how to make hot Thai milk tea 4 different ways if you're making it for home, to serve your guests during the holiday season, and also especially if you are serving Thai food. It is better served with Thai milk tea. Second part of the series would be making all these hot Thai milk tea drinks using an espresso machine. And the final part of this series will be how can you sell hot Thai milk tea. So during the winter season, especially in the Philippines where midnight mass is very popular, you can sell hot Thai milk tea. Very little investment and absolutely delicious, especially when it is cooler, not just in the Philippines, not just during midnight mass. If there are some events or fairs in the evening, this is the perfect drink to sell. So 3-part series. Stay tuned for all these 3 episodes. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make 4 delicious hot Thai milk tea at home. I am going to use Chatramu, which is quite common, so you should be able to find this in your country. This is the most popular brand in Thailand, but of course there are others now that are even better, but you can definitely use this. To brew the tea, all you need would be a couple of jugs here. I have 2 stainless jugs here, which is very commonly used in most of the Thai milk tea shops along the streets of Thailand. I am using here, this is about 700 ml jug, so I'm going to make a small proportion, half a liter. So if you're making a larger batch, you just have to multiply the proportions. So I need a kettle to boil my water, my jugs, and you need a tea sock strainer. Now I'm going to make a small batch, so I'm going to use a small tea sock strainer, very well used, and let's start making our brewed Thai tea. My proportion normally is 6 scoops of this. This is 1 scoop equal to 4 teaspoons, 6 scoops for 1 liter. So because this is only half that, I'm going to use 3 scoops. So let's start. Okay, 1, 2, 3 scoops of my Thai tea, and I'm going to use about 500 milliliters, so 2/3 of this jug, and then I'm going to use the pour over. So pour over is pouring from one jug to the other, and we're going to do this 5 times. So I'll start with just a little bit there, let the tea bloom for a while, and then now we're going to pour it low, pour it high, and then low. Now the reason for this is to make the taste of the tea better. Well, the aroma of the tea will be better when you do a pour over, low and then high. Okay, so low, high, and then low. Okay, so that's the second time. It is smelling very, very good, and try to do this without making a lot of mess. Okay, so low, and the final time. Go as high as you can, and then low. Squeeze to make sure that you get all the juice out of your tea sock strainer. And we have our brewed Thai tea, which we can use to serve as hot Thai milk tea. The first drink, it is going to be Thai milk tea bonbon. This is a 6-ounce cup, and I'm going to put 20 milliliters of my sweetened condensed milk. You can measure it to make sure it is 20 milliliters. But the idea is that you get that layer of condensed milk at the bottom, just like what you would see in cafe bonbon. Okay? And then we are going to pour our brewed Thai tea over. The beauty is that you see that 2 layer there, sweetened condensed milk at the bottom and your Thai tea. Now, To drink this, you must serve it with a spoon, and this is that deliciously looking hot Thai milk tea bonbon. Next drink, it is going to be hot Thai milk tea latte. For this, I'm going to use sugar syrup as my sweetener, so just 1 pump or 10 ml. And then I'm going to add my brewed Thai tea, just about 1/3 of the cup. And then I'm going to use my warmed milk here, foam it. And then pour the warmed milk over. If you have a milk foam, top it up with milk foam. For the third drink, it is going to be the American version of Thai milk tea. Now, why is it American? Because in the US, it's more popular to use half and half instead of evaporated milk and condensed milk. I don't have half and half here in Thailand, so I'm going to use half cream, 15 ml. And I'm going to add to this another 15 ml of my milk. So half cream, half milk. 1 pump or 10 ml of my syrup. And to this, I'm going to add 150 ml of Thai tea, and then top it up with my half and half. And finally, it is the Italian version of hot Thai milk tea. For the Italian version, I'm going to make it Thai milk tea con panna. Con panna meaning it is with cream. For this, I am going to use the same amount of sugar syrup into my glass here, 10 ml. This is an 8-ounce cup. And I'm going to add my Thai tea. Make sure it's still hot, about half a cup. And then, of course, because this is con panna or cream, I'm going to use whipped cream. Thai milk tea con panna. So there you go, you have 4 deliciously looking hot Thai milk tea. So perfect for the winter months or any rainy day and you'd like to have some hot Thai milk tea. These are the methods that you can use. First, it is the most simple one. I would call this the Thai milk tea bonbon. So that is sweetened condensed milk at the bottom and then your Thai tea. Very easy to make. The taste is just so satisfying. If you've never had hot Thai milk tea, you must give this a try. The next one is a simple Thai tea latte, so less tea and more milk. I'm just going to stir it so that I get the sweetness from the sugar syrup which I added. This is a little bit sweet for me, but with a warm milk, you really don't need to put any sugar syrup, especially if you're using the espresso machine. For this one, I think 10 milliliters of your sugar syrup is just right if you like it to be a little bit sweeter. Okay? And the third one is the American version of the Thai tea. In Thailand and in my part of the world, it's really not easy to find half and half. So what I did was to make my own version of half and half, half cream and half milk. And then I sweetened this drink using the sugar syrup. I would think the taste of this one is so much lighter. If I compare it with this one, I would definitely go for the original version, which is the bonbon version. Okay, it's not bad. If you like it to be a little bit on the lighter texture, then go ahead and use the version which is the Thai tea American way. Okay, and now the final one is a little bit decadent. It's a very decadent. It's with the whipped cream on top and sweetened with a little bit of sugar syrup. So let me just stir this, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get to the drink with so much whipped cream on top here. Wow. What it gives me is that delicious whipped cream on top, but then as I drink the tea, which is really just combined with a little bit of the sugar syrup, it is refreshing. So I suppose if I stir this a lot more to make sure that the whipped cream combines with my tea at the bottom, then I'll get a rich and definitely creamy hot Thai tea. It's like having ice cream, except it is hot. I have 4 drinks here in front of me. How am I going to rank it? I'm sure all of you would be interested to find out what is my favorite. So I'm going to rank it 1 to 4. First, without doubt, it is going to be the original, the Thai milk tea bonbon. Condensed milk and Thai tea. Very easy to make and very satisfying. Second is a surprise to me, and this is actually the first time I've tried this. I am going to choose, drumroll, it is going to be the Thai milk tea con pana. It just gives me that delicious taste. I think this is very decadent, perfect for the holiday season. Third, I am going with the Thai tea latte. This one is not so sweet, it's very milky, just a hint of that Thai tea. And finally, last but definitely not the least, it is the American Thai milk tea. It is just too light for my taste. So I suppose you have the verdict. All you have to do now is to give these recipes a try. If you have any questions at all about any of these, do let me know in the comment below. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. Stay warm if you are experiencing cold weather, and also stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.